The gravel dust is still hanging in the air. You're sitting there on Highway 61 just outside Soldiers Grove. Your airbags are deployed. Your heart is pounding. And then someone is already telling you, don't worry, our insurance will take care of it. But here's what nobody tells you. Within hours of a crash in Soldiers Grove, the insurance company is building a case, not to help you, but to limit what they may have to pay you. They'll call fast, they'll try to sound friendly, and they may even offer you money before you know the full extent of your injuries. And if you say the wrong thing or wait too long to protect yourself, you can damage your own case under Wisconsin's auto accident laws. If you were hurt and you're searching for a Soldiers Grove car accident lawyer, you're not crazy, you're not greedy, you're just protecting your family. Let me walk you through what you need to do next. My name is Craig Steger. I've spent more than 20 years representing injured motorists across western Wisconsin, including Crawford County and the back roads around Soldiers Grove. I've taken on major insurance carriers. I've taken cases to trial, and I don't scare easily. Here are 3 things you need to know immediately after a Soldiers Grove car accident. Number 1, get proper medical care, even if you feel fine. In rural crashes, especially on Highway 131, 61, or those narrow county roads, adrenaline masks a lot of pain. Things like whiplash, concussions, even internal injuries. They don't always show up at the scene. Go to the emergency room. See your primary doctor. Follow through with any treatment they recommend, not just for your case, but for your health. And under Wisconsin personal injury law, medical documentation matters a lot. Are there gaps in treatment? Insurance companies will use that against you. Number 2, do not give a recorded statement without legal advice. This is where people can get hurt legally. The adjuster may say, we just need your side of the story. What they're really doing is trying to lock you into a version of events before you even know things like the full extent of your injuries, the total property damage, whether there were other witnesses, and whether comparative fault might be argued. Wisconsin follows modified comparative negligence rules. This means that if they can pin 51% of fault on you, you recover nothing. A good Soldiers Grove car accident lawyer knows how to protect you from that trap. Number 3, understand what your case is actually worth. This isn't just talking about fixing your vehicle. It's about things like medical bills, lost wages, future treatment, pain and suffering, permanent impairment, and in serious crashes, especially involving things like farm equipment, semis, or other commercial motor vehicles on rural highways, insurance coverage layers can get really complicated very fast. You may have things like the other driver's insurance policy, your own underinsured or uninsured coverage, umbrella policies, your health insurance. If you don't investigate these properly, you may leave money on the table. I know these roads. I know how quickly weather shifts in the driftless region. I know what happens when a farm truck pulls out onto 131 just at dusk. I know how narrow some of these township roads are outside Soldiers Grove. This isn't billboard lawyering from Milwaukee. This is western Wisconsin, and it requires someone who understands the terrain legally and literally. If you've been hurt in a crash in Soldiers Grove, don't guess your way through it. Don't trust the first offer. Don't assume the insurance company is on your side. Call and get real answers, even if you just want to know whether you need a lawyer. I'm Craig Steger, and when the insurance company starts pushing, I push back harder.